And would you believe it? I found the comma straight away. Look, these are the same rocks as in on that beach. I bet I'd find M's and no, and like accented consonants all over the place here. It being France. Look, there. What's that? An L. The first part of. Anyway, there. So. A heart? No. That's a heart. With 2 holes. Ridiculous. Could have saved me a lot of frustration. Is that a V? Yep, that's a V. And an I. Mad. Swirly L's here and all that. And S's. Alright. I'll go. Goodbye.